Welcome to your morning affirmation session. Take a deep breath in, hold it gently, and exhale fully. Feel your body relax. Allow any tension to melt away. With each breath, prepare to fill your mind and spirit with high vibration energy for the day ahead. I am open to positive energy today. I radiate love, joy, and peace. I attract abundance in all areas of my life. My mind is clear, focused, and calm. I trust the flow of the universe. I am aligned with my higher self. Opportunities come to me effortlessly. I am grateful for all the blessings around me. I release fear and embrace confidence. My energy uplifts everyone I meet. I am deserving of happiness and success. I am fully present in every moment. Creativity flows through me freely. I attract loving, supportive relationships. I am resilient and overcome challenges with ease. My intuition guides me toward my highest good. I forgive myself and others easily. I am grateful for my body, mind, and spirit. I embrace change as an opportunity to grow. I am a magnet for miracles and blessings. I release negativity and welcome positivity. I am confident, courageous, and empowered. My heart is open to love and kindness. I trust my journey and every step I take. I am abundant, prosperous, and successful. I attract joy, peace, and harmony into my day. My vibration rises with every breath I take. I am centered, grounded, and balanced. I am grateful for this new day and its endless possibilities. I am a powerful creator of my reality. Take a final deep breath in and exhale fully. Feel the high vibration energy filling your body, mind, and spirit. Carry this positive energy with you throughout the day. Know that each thought you think, each word you speak, and each action you take creates a beautiful ripple of light and abundance. Thank you for joining this morning affirmation practice. Go forth into your day empowered, aligned, and radiating positivity.